Hey, thank you for clicking on the video. Now do yourself a favor and subscribe. So this is the Li-Ning Shadow 3 Essential, a very sick looking shoe I bought months ago. I've been wearing this casually for more than 50 kilometers and this is my classic real review. These are size 44 Europe, 10.5 US, but 28.5 centimeters. And for the dickwads who keep getting hurt because I wear running shoes casually, even Nike considers casual wearing of running shoes a sport. Recently, I got a survey that literally said that, so you can just fuck off. Okay, so first I got this colorway, but the price got lower and I had to get this black and white version for almost 40% off. I'm selling these, by the way. So seriously, what the fuck is up with these price changes on the official store pages? Also, some of these Chinese shoes really started to cost way too much. These had a heavy, horrible glue stench out of the box, which I can feel even now. Under no circumstances, this is a running shoe, unless you're running for your life.
Why are you running?
It's enough with this fake ass boost type of midsole material. There's no pronation prevention, which is essential on a shoe with such a big midsole. They even look synced in if you look at them from the back. These are slightly unstable. Apparently I have strong ankles, but someone else may have issues when turning, especially if you decide to run in these shits. These squeak when walking, one of the things I hate the most in a shoe. Yes, I know it's because of these plastic plates, but I don't really care. Also, as a side note, what's with all these idiots suing companies because of squeaky sneakers? I've been exposing squeaky sneakers for years, you're just now catching up. The sizing is weird. These are longer compared to the essential one, but pointy towards the toe box. And 44 Europe should be 28 centimeters, not 28.5. I'm not gonna lie, these look pretty ridiculous. When squeezing the back section, which is my very professional test on all shoes, they sound like they're separating. These two midsole bits are not matching in the back. If you do this pointy, then make sure it matches this hole and everything else. I don't really like this tab design in the back. And finally, these plastic plates are kinda whack, and what happens if this lower one breaks? Oh, by the way, also the regular Shadow 3 looks even more ridiculous and has an idiotic price. Carbon fiber is not that expensive anymore, so how can you justify that price? And yes, I'm talking to Mr. Li-Ning himself right now. Okay, so the price I've paid for this is okay, I guess, 70 euros. The overall design is really sick. Ridiculous, but sick. And this black and white version is better because the two-tone hides how ridiculous the midsole is. I can honestly look at these for hours. I keep pulling them from my display case and just check out the design. It's a really sick shoe and I like it a lot. Yes, I had to change to quality red rope laces. The red really adds a pop of color. These look sick on feet from far away and pretty much from every angle. The overall build quality is great. The materials are nice, nothing really special, just plastics, but the sock liner is very soft and the padding is really squishy in the back. The outsole seems to be very tough, there's no damage even though there was some heel drag. These are super comfortable on long walks, even though they are quite heavy at 370 grams for size 44 euro. The midsole is not squishy but bouncy. I really love this shifting logo / brand name in the back, and more brands should do this. So there you go, you can still do something unique. And I like that they did a curved tongue so they fit nicely on the leg. Finally, if you're short, these are great for you. They give you like an extra 1.5 or 2 inches in height though, sorry. Okay, so like I said, this is a sick looking shoe, really comfortable, perfect for long walks. And you should definitely buy it on sale. So let me know what you think about the Li-Ning Shadow 3 Essential. If you have any questions, and thank you for watching.